Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Peace and blessings be upon you, Ya Sayyidi, Ya Rasul. Feel so lost without you. I long for that day when I shall see your face, standing right beside you, staring into your eyes.